Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Thanks for coming back. Now if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. And also don't forget to check out some videos on our channel. We have home decor type videos on everything. But in today's video, let's talk about Southwestern style home decor. So before we get too into it, don't forget to join our Facebook page at AndThenThereWasStyle, and also follow us on TikTok, same name, And Then There Was Style. Okay, now let's get into the video. From cacti to cowhide, Southwestern style is not a fleeting trend. This rustic and cozy look has been around for a long time, but lately it's becoming even more popular in home decor. Southwestern style is one of those looks you can either go all in on or just sprinkle a little bit here and there throughout your home. So as I always like to do, let's start with the definition. Southwestern style gathers its inspiration from the desert palette, Spanish textiles, adobe houses, ironwork, and of course, nature. Leather, suede, and loads of texture and shades of rust, terracotta, cactus green, and bulky furnishings are a great foundation for celebrating Southwestern style. Combining the vibrant hues of a desert sunset with organic materials, earthy pastels, and dazzling Native American, Mexican, and Spanish artistry, Southwestern style can bring character to any space. If you want to learn how to make yourself a home among these historic patterns and textures and tones, just keep on watching this video. I'm going to break it all down for you. So as always, let's start with some tips and tricks on how you can successfully implement the Southwestern style of home decor in your home. Tip number 1, neutral base. Start with a neutral base when decorating your home in the Southwestern style. Beige or light yellow walls look beautiful behind light wash wood furniture. You can also incorporate decorative elements in shades of brown and tan, reminiscent of leather, throughout your home. Tip number 2, earthy tones. Layer your neutral Southwest interior design foundation with earthy tones like burnt orange, rust, mustard yellow, cactus green, dark red, and dirt brown. Tip number 3, bring on the desert vibes. Use plants that are often found in the desert like cactus and succulents when decorating your Southwestern home. Go for art that shows a sunset behind the expansive American desert that just screams Southwestern. Number 4, Native American patterns. Native American rugs, pillows, and blankets are often associated with Southwest decor. This quintessential indigenous print is easily recognizable by its bright colors and geometrical designs. Next, Navajo throw pillows. Native Americans, specifically the Navajo tribe, are masters at textile crafts, and they make a beautiful home linen. Try these Native American throw pillows to add easy Southwestern accents, but you don't have to stop at throw pillows. I mean, there's throws, there's rugs, there's all type of ways to bring this certain look into your home. Wrought iron. Many Southwestern homes have beautiful black wrought iron staircase banisters, kind of tripped up over that, and other iron interior elements. This is due to the influence of Spanish home design, since the Spanish were the first European settlers to inhabit the area centuries ago. Next, let's talk about stucco walls. Stucco homes are very common in the Southwest. They are energy efficient and help keep Southwestern homes cool. Paint your stucco walls an earthy color like orange or yellow to bring out the Southwest flair. Next, ranch style. Many Southwest homes sit on ranches. The interior decor might be influenced by the animals on the ranch, such as horses, cattle, and cows. You might find cowhide rugs, horse photography, and ram horns inside Southwest-style homes. Mid-century furniture. Many Southwest homes have mid-century style furniture in every room. The dark brown tones of the wood give the space a calming, neutral feel. Let's talk about indoor pottery. Don't be afraid to use lots of clay pottery inside your home to get the Southwestern look right. Putting plants inside is optional. They look beautiful regardless. Bonus points, they have so many little studios that you can go and actually make your own pottery. That's a definite conversation starter for sure. Alright guys, so as I do in every single video, I want you to comment down below what either your favorite room is or if you would have Southwestern style home decor in your home. Tell me why or why not down below in the comment section and I will reply back. Alright guys, so I've already asked you to comment down below what your favorite room was. If you wanted to know mine, it's this one. I don't know why I love this room so much. Now I have to honestly say I'm not a huge wood person, but this room, it just feels right. This just feels like your whole family can gather around and hang out with you while you're cooking. I love this room. Alright guys, that was today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so you do not miss an upload. It's been so fun guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye!